What if I told you one simple thing, something you can do tonight, could help you finally get morning relief without straining, lower your cholesterol without medication, control blood sugar spikes after meals, lose weight without extreme dieting, and feel lighter, cleaner, and more energized? And what if I told you it's not a pill, not a supplement, not a gym membership, but a simple natural fiber used for centuries that costs less than $10 a month? You'd probably say, no way, that's too good to be true. I thought the same until I looked at the science. But when I saw the research and the real-life results from thousands of people, I was shocked. This isn't magic, it's nature's broom, and today I'm revealing the one simple night habit that can transform your health, starting tonight. The secret ingredient, Psyllium husk, nature's broom. This miracle worker? It's called Psyllium husk, also known as Isabgol in Ayurveda. It comes from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, and it's one of the most powerful soluble fibers on the planet. And yes, some people call it nature's broom because it gently sweeps your intestines clean from the inside out. It doesn't have a taste, no smell, no color. But the moment you mix it with water, it turns into a thick, gel-like substance. And that gel is what makes the magic happen. Science-backed benefits that will shock you. Number 1, cleans your gut naturally. No more constipation. Psyllium absorbs water and forms a soft gel that moves through your intestines, gently pushing out built-up waste. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that Psyllium users had more regular bowel movements, less bloating, and fewer IBS symptoms. And unlike harsh laxatives, it doesn't cause cramps or dependency. This is the best natural solution for constipation, gas, and daily discomfort, especially if you're over 40. Number 2, lowers cholesterol, heart health. Here's something most people don't know. Psyllium can lower your bad LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10% without any medication. How? The soluble fiber in Psyllium soaks up excess cholesterol in your gut and carries it out before your body can absorb it. The FDA even recognizes this effect and allows Psyllium-based products to carry a heart-healthy claim. But, and this is important, it only works if you also reduce your fat intake. You can't eat fried food all day and expect Psyllium to fix it. Number 3, controls blood sugar, diabetes support. Psyllium slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which means sugar enters your bloodstream slowly, not all at once. A 2018 study in diabetes care found that type 2 diabetics who took Psyllium before meals had lower post-meal blood sugar spikes. So if you're pre-diabetic or your sugar runs high after meals, this could be a game changer. Number 4, helps with weight loss, reduces cravings. Psyllium expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness that lasts for hours. That means fewer late-night snacks, fewer cravings, and fewer unnecessary calories. A 2019 study in Nutrition Reviews found that people who took fiber supplements like Psyllium lost more weight than those who didn't, just by feeling fuller longer. How to use it right. The number 1 mistake 90% make. Now here's how to use Psyllium husk the right way. Step-by-step instructions. 200 to 250 milliliters of 1 glass of water or warm liquid, 1 teaspoon, 5 grams of Psyllium husk powder. Mix immediately and drink right away. Critical. Drink it immediately because Psyllium turns into a thick gel in just 30 seconds. Wait too long and you can't swallow it. After drinking, follow up with another half glass of water to prevent blockage. Best time to take it? 30 to 45 minutes after dinner, or right before bed. You can also mix it with warm milk, but only if you don't have high cholesterol. Never take it dry, it can cause choking or blockages. Never take it with medication. Wait at least 2 hours if you're on thyroid, blood pressure, or diabetes meds. Bonus, natural alternatives and products. Now, if you want a ready-made Ayurvedic solution for digestion, there's also Easy Flow Serum, a natural, side-effect-free formula that gently cleanses your gut without cramps or dependency. It's made with herbal extracts and works perfectly for those who want a ready-to-use option. But Psyllium husk, it's the gold standard. Cheap, effective, and proven. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube this matters. Subscribe to Health Morph for more natural, science-backed health tips. No hype, just truth. Comment below. Have you tried Psyllium Husk? What results did you see? I read every comment. Next week, I'm revealing 2 foods that lower blood sugar naturally, and one of them is already in your pantry. This isn't just a habit, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Stay healthy, stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.